Hi students, today we will study nature of matter. Right? What is matter? The matter is a substance which is having mass and occupy space is called matter. यानी solid ले लो, उसमें क्या है? It is containing mass also and occupying the space also. That is why it is matter. Physically, matter is classified into 5 categories: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, supercondensed state. How we will say that this whatever is a solid? For that, it should have definite shape and volume, right? Constituent atoms are very close to each other. Means particles are very close, then only it will form a shape, and tightly intermolecular force should be more. See, there is a more force of attraction between its constituent atoms. It is having rigidity stiff. There are 2 types of solids: crystalline solid and amorphous solid. What is crystalline solid? It is a type of solid in which its constituent atoms are arranged in ordered form. See this figure. Solid particles are arranged one after the other. That is crystalline solid. Example: NaCl, KCl, etc. हम लोग ने घर में किचन में नमक देखा है. That is crystalline. And amorphous means Pond's powder you have seen. The same is the amorphous. How you will determine that this is crystalline, this is amorphous? By its state. क्रिस्टलाइन जो होता है वो थोड़ा खुरदुरा सा रहेगा, और ये amorphous solid will be very soft. And it is a type of solid in which its constituent atoms arranged in disordered form. They are not one after the other. They are in disordered form. Example: plastic, rubber. The distance between the 2 planes in crystalline solid is determined by the Brass law. Lambda, n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. What is lambda? Wavelength. D is the distance between 2 successive planes. Liquid. We studied about solid, now it comes liquid. It is a type of matter in which it is having definite volume but not a shape. Right? When we flow a water on a surface, does it is having any shape? Answer is no. It is having a fluidity character, but it is not having any shape. It takes the shape of a container. Its constituent atoms are comparatively away from solid. That is true. वो constituent particles दूर है, इसीलिए ही उसका कोई shape नहीं है. Particles पास में, that is why it is showing a shape. That means see this pen is showing having shape. Why? Because it is having an intermolecular force it is having intermolecular force, and they are very close to each other, and in liquid little far away as compared to solid. There is less force of attraction between constituent atoms. Less force of attraction is there. Liquid having tendency to flow, which is a opposite of flow. मतलब liquid is having tendency to flow. Dispersity arising due to force of friction, which is applied it from one layer to another. Friction forces arises to the one after the other. Liquid is showing a surface tension, which is a tendency of liquid take itself in a minimum area. Showing a surface tension, which is a tendency of a liquid to keep itself in a minimum area. The water falls on a surface. It does not spreads, but वो जो उसका सरफेस टेंशन की वजह से वो मिनिमाइज एरिया में कवर हो जाता है. देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, वाटर फॉल करोगे, गिराओगे नीचे, तो क्या होगा? पानी मिनिमाइज एरिया में आने का ट्राई करेगा. गैस क्या है? इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ मैटर इन विच इट्स कंस्टिट्यूएंट एटम्स आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. इट्स ट्रू. सॉलिड में बहुत क्लोज होते हैं कंस्टिट्यूएंट एटम्स, पार्टिकल्स. लिक्विड में क्या होगा? दे आर लिटिल अवे, and in this very far away from each other. Constituent atoms are very far away from each other. It is having neither shape nor volume. We have seen the gas in our atmosphere. It is seen? Answer is no. No force of attraction or repulsion between its atom. कोई attraction नहीं है, कोई repulsion नहीं है in gases. The entropy of a gas compared to more liquid and solid, because entropy is measured in this. What is entropy? Entropy is measurement of disorder. The solid, liquid and gas are interconnected to each other. Solid is interconnected to liquid and liquid is gas. Gas is the three of them are interconnected to each other. Plasma. In fourth state, the matter which is possible at higher temperature, that is fourth state, this is plasma. At a higher temperature, the electrons of an atom are getting ejected. In this condition, plasma will be in form of electrons and neutrons. This is the fourth state of a matter at high temperature. There will be difference between this plasma and supercondensed state. Plasma is having very high temperature, that you have to keep in mind. In supercondensed state, it is having low temperature, whereas in plasma it is having very high temperature. High temperature, the electrons of an atoms are getting ejected. मतलब कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स लिए जाते हैं इसके अंदर प्लाज्मा स्टेट में, और उसको बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर देंगे. और हमें पता है कि हाई टेम्परेचर पे देने से मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव वेरी फास्ट, यानी इजेक्टेड. दैट इज ओनली डिफरेंस. एंड सुपर कंडेंस फिफ्थ स्टेट है ये मैटर का, जिसमें बहुत लो टेम्परेचर दिया जाता है. In this low temperature, the elements combine in such a fashion that it will lose its identity and form a super compound. उसको इतना लो टेम्परेचर दिया जाता है कि वो अपना जो शेप होता है उसको ही लूज कर देता है, और वो सुपर कंडेंस स्टेट में आ जाता है. Today we will keep up to here. Next time we will see chemical classification of matter. Okay, thank you.